Thank you for joining me for Mini Marble Roller Coaster. This is video 3 of 3. We're going to finish it up here. First thing you want to do is get 2 lengths of the irrigation tubing and run wire through them. And then we're going to attach a coaster clip to the top portion. And you want to wrap the wire around the dowel rod and probably use some pliers to pinch it nice and tight so your coaster clip is secure. Now the game this time around is to coil the tubing around. You're training it almost like a cinnamon roll is how I like to think of it. And then you will clip the top portion in, drill a couple holes into the big support dowel rod, and that will help you get another coaster clip to secure the track and keep it from wobbling back and forth. One of these holes I drilled all the way through so that I could bend the wire down and kind of lock it in place that way, and the other one I cut short, and the second hole there is not all the way through, just enough to keep that wire nice and strong and keep the coaster clip in a good position. And you can, with the amount of wire that you have here, you can kind of push it one way or the other and adjust it so that it will hold. Then we prepare the last little dowel rod support. Attach a coaster clip here. Again, we're going to wrap the wire around the dowel rod to get it nice and secure, but we do leave about 1 inch of wire above the dowel rod just so that you have a little bit of play in there, because it does take some adjusting to get the ball to go into the landing spot. Now, this go round I actually did 2 pieces of 24-inch tubing and realized that the outside tube came up too short, so I cut a longer piece. It's about 29 inches long, ran wire into it and reattached it. That actually did not take long, as long as I thought, and then put a coaster clip at the end, ran a couple of tests, made a few adjustments, and it was good to go. So we'll show this final shot here. We'll do one at regular speed and then we'll do one in slow motion. I love watching these kind of lose a little bit of momentum right at the end and then drop in. That's kind of fun. And of course the loop from phase 2 of the marble coaster design. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with friends. Also comment if you have any questions. And for more information, you can always visit mrhen.com.